And with the recent release and success of Relution's suite of ZBrush tools for pose, round trip for character modification, and facial tool for sculpting and remixing facial forms, the folks at Relution have just recently announced and released a new tool for facial animation. Powered by NVIDIA RTX, this new character facial animation tool, AccuFace, brings the ease of facial character animation to character animators, hobbyists, and enthusiasts, as it allows anyone, regardless of the camera device of your choosing, to drive characters with a single facial camera. This tool is super compatible with webcams, head mounts, and DSLRs. More so, AccuFace also works and handles video feeds with the same descent mode for live performances, with reliance on K-Lite codec pack and HEVC extension for videos captured with the iPhone. Users can either choose to capture live performances or load up pre-recorded videos and drive their character's facial animation. Available in use with Relution's iClone via the Motion Live window, the AccuLips add-on powers through to drive characters through a port connection, as it's also an independent camera app which supports various sources, tracking mode, orientation, resolution and tracking FPS, with additional features to limit tracking angle, head, brow, and mouth interferences. And with these options and settings, anyone can now become a facial character performer by just simply using a web camera, dialing the proper settings that they want, and drive the character how they choose. Additionally, there is a calibration window for expression definition. This provides a clear, clean, and easy way to adjust the performer's live input or video input for a better facial character animation. AccuFace is part of the entire Accu system. As we've all seen, the AccuRig, AccuLips, and now we have AccuFace. AccuFace works really well with AccuLips, as AccuLips is an AI-powered lip sync system for iClone that allows for characters to perform lip sync animations via text input or recordings. And with AccuFace, this just got a whole lot interesting, as artists can drive their full character's facial performances with any device, as they can record, edit, and modify the animation for a more improved animation and lip sync, giving the character a more realistic lip and tongue articulation thanks to AccuLips. And with AccuFace and AccuLips, your characters are more alive, with a full spectrum MOCAP refinement set of tools, which includes the strength balance, smooth filter, anti-interlacing, and the noise. There is a multi-language support for AccuLips, just in case you love to explore its capabilities beyond English language. And with tons of parameters to create, emote, and also animate, Relution's suite of tools, including the brand new AccuFace, looks pretty awesome. And if you would love to get started with Relution's iClone or Character Creator for making high quality 3D characters in no time, then you might want to consider checking the channel or going over to the link in the description that will bring you right here where you can take a look at all of them. So whether you're trying to do animations, create your own characters, or probably you're looking for a free tool which you can use to rig any character of choice, then you might want to consider checking all of this out in the description. So this is it. AccuFace is now here complementing all of the tools that the folks at Relution have created up to date, and this is pretty impressive. So if you've been thinking about a time that you can drive your characters with just cameras, then you may want to consider exploring this. Of course, there's a couple of cool stuff that you also find within the documentation that talks about lighting, and by every means I would suggest that you give this a try and see what you can create with it. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course if you like this video or you like something from it, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And I'd like to see you guys in the next one. Peace.